সুপ্রিয় দর্শক শ্রোতা, আপনাদের প্রত্যেককে আমাদের স্থানীয় সরকার অনুষ্ঠানে আমন্ত্রণ জানাচ্ছি। আমি জামিল আহমেদ।
Hello and welcome to the talk show Amader Sthaniyo Sarkar. I am Jamil Ahmed, your host. Amader Sthaniyo Sarkar, our local government, showcases and highlights local government good practices in Bangladesh and discusses ways to further strengthen local government bodies in Bangladesh. The talk show is brought to you by the Swiss Agency for Development and Cooperation, SDC, Boishakhi TV, and Radio ABC. The guests present in today's episode are GM Liaquat Ali, Chairman Purulia Union Porishad, Purulia Satkhira, Saida Rizwana Hassan, Chief Executive Officer Bella, Dr. Atiq Rahman, Chief Executive Officer, Bangladesh Center for Advanced Studies, BCAS. Today's episode focuses on climate change and the role of local government. GM Liaquat Ali explains that one of the main sufferings that Purulia Union Porishad is facing right now is the filling up of the canals. Socially, there is a lack of public awareness and economically their resources are limited. Also, the legal complexities are posing problems in their efforts against climate change. He adds that the unplanned establishment of shrimp farming impacts the dams, which are worsened by the absence of proper laws. Mr. Ali states that they have tried to create awareness amongst people through workshops. They have managed to utilize local manpower and government-allocated funds to excavate the canals and dug ponds and made drinking water available to the public. Yet he stresses on more awareness programs to improve people's knowledge regarding climate change. He advocates for the implementation of feasible models that succeed under varying contexts in other union porishads. Saida Rizwana Hassan says that the main risks for Bangladesh are that the districts in the proximity of seabelts are likely to drown underwater if the sea level rises. It is predicted that if sea level rises at speculated rate, then Bangladesh will lose 18% of its landmass and its geographical map would be altered. Another damaging effect would be that as the water level rises, the saline water will enter further inland and contaminate the sweetwater bodies that are a natural habitat of different water species in Bangladesh, mainly fish. Thirdly, because of the major loss of land, Bangladesh would be deprived of arable land. Consequentially, this would escalate the occurrence of natural disasters such as cyclone, flood, excessive rain, or even lack of rain. These calamities would appear sooner than expected, as well as intensity-wise they will be stronger, and as a result, Bangladesh's agricultural production will be hampered. She adds that if temperature rises, new health risks will surface while cutting down food production. This will seriously affect Bangladesh's socio-economic growth and its fight against poverty. Saida Rizwana Hassan pulls a comparison between the legal mandates of Dhaka City Corporation and Union Porishad to prove that there are no differences between the two bodies. But the preparedness, capacity, and the financial means of Dhaka City Corporation far outweighs those of the Union Porishads. The problems emanating from climate change are continuous and one cannot solve them overnight. Also, the problems unfold gradually and don't appear all at once. She opines that the voice of the local government needs to be heard by the central government. Preparations should be made according to specific context of the locality. Government should enact laws to ensure people's right to protection against disasters and make capacity development training available in the disaster-prone areas. Dr. Atiq Rahman refers to the research carried out by the Intergovernment Panel of Climate Change in 2007 that pointed out the impact of climate change would have effects that are locally exclusive or context-specific. Response criteria, therefore, needs to be designed in accordance to the nature of problems at hand. Dr. Rahman says that the best remedies happen to exist in the knowledge of the local population. Dr. Rahman claims that once the people possess enough knowledge about climate change, they will find out solutions on their own. He thinks that the elected local public representatives should play a major role in this regard. Dr. Rahman thinks that discussions on local government are gaining prominence in the international forums, but unfortunately, local government representatives do not get much opportunity to attend those events. As a result of this, ground reality is not reflected properly in those forums. He also points out that the capacity development of the local government representatives are also very important so that they understand climate change issues properly. The requirements of the local government bodies have to be fulfilled adequately.
প্রিয় দর্শক শ্রোতা, আপনাদেরকে ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি এতক্ষণ ধরে আমাদের সাথে আলোচনায় যোগ দেওয়ার জন্য। আপনারা এই অনুষ্ঠান সম্পর্কে আমাদেরকে মতামত জানাতে পারেন। আমাদের স্থানীয় সরকার সম্পর্কে আপনার তথ্য পরামর্শ জানিয়ে চিঠি অথবা ইমেল পাঠাতে পারেন। আমাদের কাছে লিখবার ঠিকানা প্রযোজক আমাদের স্থানীয় সরকার, বৈশাখী টেলিভিশন, 32 মহাখালী, ঢাকা 1212। এছাড়া ইমেল করতে হলে assorkar@boishakhi.tv। আরেকটি তথ্য, অনুষ্ঠান সম্পর্কে যে কোনো সময় বাংলা ইংরেজিতে মতামত দিতে চাইলে, শুনতে হলে বা দেখতে হলে একটি লগ ইন করতে পারেন ওয়েবসাইটে। ওয়েবসাইটটি হচ্ছে www.amadersthaniyosorkar.com। আগামী পর্বে অন্য কোনো অতিথির সঙ্গে আমরা আবারও হাজির হব। সে পর্যন্ত ধন্যবাদ এবং শুভেচ্ছা।